So this is David Berlo, and he created the Berlo's SMCR model. In 1960, he wrote the textbook which was implemented in his undergraduate classes, The Process of Communication. He taught an excellent doctoral level 4 course in research method and statistics. He was a strong leader, excellent educator, and advocate for the field of communication study. He continued to research and develop his SMCR theory of communication and information. In it, he stressed the importance of the perception of the source in the eye of the receiver and also the channels by which the message is delivered. During his final 3 years at Michigan State, he became country's chairperson of the Republican Party and was passed over for the position of Dean of the College of the Communication Arts.
So this is the SMCR diagram of Berlo's theory of communication. S for the source, M for message, C for channel, and R for receiver. Under the source is the communication skills, attitudes, knowledge, social system, culture. Next is the message. Under it is the content, elements, treatment, structure, and code. Under the channel is the hearing, seeing, touching, smelling, and tasting. In other words, the 5 senses. And lastly is the receiver. Under it is the communication skills, the attitudes, knowledge, social system, and culture. Berlo's model of communication takes into account the emotional aspect of the message. Berlo's model of communication operates on the SMCR model. In the SMCR model, S stands for the source. In other words, also called the sender, is the one from whom the thought originates. He is the one who transfers the information to the receiver after carefully putting his thoughts in words. Next is the message. When an individual converts his thoughts into words, a message is created. This process is also called as encoding. Next is the channel. Channel actually refers to the medium, how the information flows from the sender to the receiver. Lastly, the receiver. When the message reaches the receiver, he tries to understand what the listener actually wants to convey and then responds to it accordingly. This is also called as decoding.
These are the real-life situation examples of Berlo's model. Phone calls, texting, Facebook chat or messenger, and email. There are 7 criticisms of Berlo's MCR model of communication. 1. No feedback or don't know about the effect. 2. Does not mention barriers to communication. 3. No room for noise. 4. Complex model. 5. It is a linear model of communication. 6. Needs people to be on same level for communication to occur but not true in real life. 7. Main drawback of the model is that the model omits the usage of 6 senses as a channel, which is actually a gift to human beings, thinking, understanding, analyzing, and etc.
So this sums up our presentation. Thank you for listening.